Welcome to Learning Code with Python. I am Nadia Borshek. I will be your instructor for this series. These videos intended students ages 10 to 14, about grades 4 to 10. In the previous part of episode 2, I explained what are variables, how variables work, and the main three data types. You will find the link of the previous part in the description field below for more details. In this part, we will revise these concepts and do some practice. Variables are things you store in part of computer memory. Variables are used whenever needed. Variables are things similar to box or locker. To tell the system to store Isla's preferred color, we shall use the following command syntax. Variable name equals variable value. Then press enter. In our example, variable name will be something as Isla underscore preferred color. Variable value will be something like green. The equal sign used to assign value, which is green, to the variable which is Isla underscore preferred color. Once we press enter, the system will create something similar to a box and label it with Isla underscore preferred color. Then assign green color inside the box. I will use print command to retrieve the variable content. Once press enter, the system will access the memory and search for the variable with name Isla underscore preferred color. Then the system will retrieve the content of the cell and display it to the screen. Before doing any practice, remember, pause the video and think about the requirements. Write your answer in your Python shell editor. Press enter and see how it works. After that, proceed with the video and check with the correct answer. Now, let's do some practice. Define an integer data type variable with variable name is int var underscore 1 and variable value is 15. Notice the tip. Try not to jump to the answer until you run it on your own Python shell editor. Well done. Keep the hard work. Practice number 2. Define a float data type variable with variable name is float var underscore 1 and variable value is 2.6. Notice the tip. Try not to jump to the answer until you run it on your own Python shell editor. Well done. Keep the hard work. Practice number 3. Define a string data type variable with variable name string var underscore 1. Variable value is my first var dot created on 21st backslash 10 backslash 2020. Notice the tip. Try not to jump to the answer until you run it on your own Python shell editor. Well done. Keep the hard work. Python operators are plus to add two operands, minus to subtract right operand from the left, star to multiply two operands, backslash to divide left operand by the right one. Python, doing math is simple. Just type two any numbers and operator in between. Then press enter. can do math using variables. Let us open Python shell to do some exercises. Let's say our variable var underscore int1 equal 4 and var underscore int2 equal 2. Then var underscore int1 plus var underscore int2. Press enter, it will be 6. Now let's try the subtraction of two variables. Type var underscore int1 minus var underscore int2, then press enter. Let's do the multiplication. Var underscore int1 star var underscore int2 and press enter. The last example will be the division. Var underscore int1 slash var underscore int2. Then press enter. Another function can be used for plus sign, which is to concatenating strings. Notice the example. We have two variables. First underscore name equal between two quotations Nadia. And the second one family underscore name equal between two quotations Borshek. To merge these two variables in one, you will use plus sign, which will concatenate the two variables in one string. Remember, code is fun, and coding is a valuable job skill. See you next time. If you like our videos, then please subscribe to our channel and press bell icon for latest updates.